How to use Nurture by Emalac, an innovative accessory to help you get the most out of your pumping sessions. In the box, you'll find 1 Nurture bra, 2 massage cups, the Nurture control box with modules, and a power cord, which is not pictured here. We've also included a travel bag and laundry bag for your convenience. Breast pump and accessories are not included. To learn more about which pumps are compatible with Nurture by Emalac, visit emalac.com. Our Nurture bra is a flattering, comfortable, and supportive nursing and pumping bra that is meant to be worn all day. If you haven't done so already, put on the bra and adjust the straps for comfort before proceeding to your first Nurture session. Let's get started. First, unclip the outer layer on the bra and fold down. Then unclip the pumping layer on the bra and fold down. The next step is to insert your massage cups. Tuck the cup behind the pumping layer so that it rests against your chest. Secure the massage cup to the bra by attaching it to the side clip located in the underarm area of the bra. Next, insert the breast shield from your pump through the slot in the pumping layer and the hole in the massage cup. Now finish securing the massage cup to the bra by attaching it to the lowest nursing hook on the bra strap. Then clip the pumping layer to the top hook on the bra strap. Repeat on the right side. Adjust your breast so that it is resting snugly inside the massage cup. Then mold the upper wire to conform to the shape of your breast. This helps to ensure that the upper half of the cup fits as close to the chest as possible. It's time to attach your massage cups to the control box. Attach the modules labeled left and right to the corresponding side of the massage cup. Continue setting up your pump as you normally would and start your pump at this time. If needed, adjust your breast shields to ensure comfort. You are now ready to begin your Nurture session. Power on the control box by pressing and holding the on-off button for 2 seconds. The indicator lights will turn yellow. Press the run button again and the lights will turn green. Your session has begun. Now we'll show you how to customize your massage settings for pressure, speed, and hold time. All settings have a range from 1 to 5, 1 being the lowest and 5 the max. Each session will begin on the left side in the pressure setting mode. Adjust the pressure by pressing plus or minus. Next, press Set Sync to rotate from pressure to speed. Press plus or minus to adjust speed. Press Set Sync again to rotate from speed to hold. To adjust hold, press plus or minus. Press Set Sync again to begin adjusting the settings for right breast individually and repeat the process. Alternatively, you may press and hold Set Sync to apply the same settings from the left side to the right automatically. Tip: the Nurture by Emalac mobile app is a convenient way to manage the massage during your session. You can adjust your settings, save them as a preset for future use, and note the volume of milk expressed at the end of a session. This is a great way to keep track of your pumping progress over time. When you are ready to stop or end your session, just press Stop Run. The left and right indicators will turn red while the system runs through the last cycle. The indicators will turn from red to yellow, signaling that the last cycle is complete and it is safe to disconnect the modules by squeezing the opposing buttons while pulling apart from the massage cup. This is important to remember. Do not attempt to disconnect the modules when the indicators are still red. You can now remove the massage cups from your bra. Power off the control box by pressing and holding on-off for 2 seconds. Now that your session is complete, don't forget to record the volume of milk expressed in the Nurture mobile app to track your supply. That's it! You're ready to take back your day. More milk, less time. Emalac. Innovation inspired by mothers.